Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to take off this kind of lock and other kinds of lock that look like this. And this has a lock from the inside. It's called a privacy lock. So some lock have like this key right here. So I'd like to replace this lock to this, but right now we're gonna take out this lock, and let's do that right now. Okay, so you see like the screws on both sides here, one right here and one right here, and this can be unlocked. So if you lock inside, this can be unlocked by just having a small screw that you twist, and then it will unlock. And that's not really safe if if someone is in your house. Okay, so let's just unlock this. So you don't have to untighten this too much. Don't loosen it too much, because it's very easy. You don't have to take out all the way. Just this much. I'll show you just by a little bit, because you can always twist the handle to take out that lock. So if you want to see, so like this, so it comes a little bit loose, you can see. And now we're gonna twist either on this side, on the other side, usually on counterclockwise, and it's gonna unlock like that. You see, because you see these two set of screws, they go inside these two holes here, and once you twist out, it will come out of this hole, and that's how easy it is. So if someone want to get in your house, that's really easy. I mean, going to one of your door, versus the other one is doesn't have those screws. Since this is facing outside, the screws would be inside, so it would be harder. So that's why we're replacing. So for here, as you can see, the lock here, you cannot take really out, so you have to push this. You can see, push and pull a little bit. On the other side, I'm going to show you how it works. So push this inside, and this will come out pretty easily. Here you go. Okay, so if you don't push this lock mechanism will come back, and it will prevent this from going out. So we have this, so you don't have to unscrew the whole way, like I said. That's how you unscrew a lock from the door, and most doors are like that. Replace this smart key lock, to the one that I just took out. So if you don't have one here, if you don't have a hole here, and you don't have this, it comes with a package here. But since I already have that, you might need to do additional steps to make this hole, right? And then also there's a measurement as to how far you have to make this based on your lock here, and this too. So since I'm just replacing this, it's gonna be pretty straightforward. Okay, so this looks the same. This is facing inside the room, and this is outside the room, so no one can access it without a key. So as you can see earlier, you can see right here. So if you twist this down, this will come out, right? You don't have to unscrew these two screws in order to take them apart, right? Just pull that out. So first you have to, so if you try to twist right here, it won't come out. You have to pull it out apart, and then once the screw out here, you can see earlier was inside here, it comes out right here, and you can twist up, right? Earlier was right here, and pull in, you pull out, twist it up, you can see, and then it comes out like this. And making sure that this is facing outside the room, and So how you want the key is down or upside down like this, your preference. Then once you put in here, you have to press this like I did earlier, and you see that curve here. This is curving, right? And then so put the screws inside the two holes here, push it, and then just release this. And as you can see here, this would fit inside here, so make sure you place it like that, and it has to align. The screws have to go on here so you can twist it up so to lock it. So make sure it's line here. Okay, twist it up, push it. Okay, so twist it, and then now we have to find a screwdriver and just screw it up one by one, each side. So kind of hard for the screws to, it's at an angle right now, so to be fully straight on the face of the screws here. So we're gonna screw it. Takes a little bit of time, but it's pretty easy for anyone to do it, and I believe you guys can do it too. So here on the other side, so I didn't screw all the way, which I will do. Okay, just take some time here. Side. Okay. Screw is all the way in now after I screwed it. So it has to be like really somewhat tight, so it won't like come out. And I guess I have it inside now. Let's see the other side here. Okay, it's take probably 5 minutes to do this. Okay. Okay, so the screws are all the way in. Okay, so it doesn't wiggle anymore, and let's test this. Let's have it locked like this. Cannot move. Okay, so each side is secured here. So we have our new lock here, and let's get the key to do that here. So if we lock this like we did, it doesn't move. Use the key. Then you're gonna see, I'm gonna turn, see. So it's locked, turn the key, it's unlocked.